Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to download, install and set up AnyDesk on your computer and then how to access that computer from your mobile phone. So like the video, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Download and install on PC. First open your browser and search for AnyDesk. Open the first website. Click the download button and get the version for Windows. Once it's downloaded, double-click on it to open. At the top you'll see your AnyDesk address. This is a unique number or ID. Keep it safe because this is what you'll use to connect from your phone. Now take your phone, open the AnyDesk app. On your phone, type the AnyDesk address from your PC. Then click on this icon. If your PC is set to manual approval, you'll see a pop-up on the computer to accept. Click Accept. Now you're connected. On mobile you can swipe to move the mouse, tap to click and use the on-screen keyboard to type. You can also transfer files, copy and paste text and even hear audio from the computer. And that's it. You've learned how to install and set up AnyDesk on a computer and how to access it from your phone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.